Hi students, application of matrices and determinants, exercise 1.1. See the 13th sum, given A equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix, B equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix and C equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix. Find the matrix X such that A X B equal to C. Solution, given A X B equal to C. We want to find X. Now, pre-multiplying A inverse on both sides. Pre-multiplying A inverse on both sides. Pre-multiplying A inverse on both sides. Now, you know already A inverse A equal to I. A inverse A equal to I. Now, leave that one. XB equal to A inverse. A equal to 1 minus 1 2 0 inverse. A inverse C value 1 1 2 2. A inverse already we have studied in 12th sum. XB 1, first find the modulus value. Modulus value, multiply this 0 minus 2 formula minus plus 2. Next find adj. Adj means change the value and change the sign. Change the sign. Write the C. Next 1 by 2. Now multiply row by column. Multiply row by column method. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2. Next second row first column. Minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. Now simplify xb equal to 1 by 2, 2 2 0 0. 2 2 0 0. Next again here b is there, then post multiplying b inverse on both sides. Post multiplying b inverse on both sides. See that one, b inverse equal to I, you know. अब b inverse, leave this, x equal to 1 by 2 matrix 2 2 0 0, b inverse, b value given 3 minus 2 1 1 and taking inverse 1 by 2 2 2 0 0. Inverse means first find the modulus value 3 minus 2 formula minus plus 2. Now change the value 1 3, change the sign 2 minus 1. Here simplify 1 by 5 the same matrix. See that one, 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5, 1 by 10. Next the matrices, right? Multiply by row by column. Row by column 2 minus 2, 4 plus 6. Next second row first column 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Simplify 1 by 10, 0, 10, 0, 0. Now divided by 10. 0, 0, 0, here 1. X equal to 0, 1, 0, 0. Get the answer. 14th sum, A equal to 1 3 by 3 matrix given. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. 3 by 3 matrix given. Show that A inverse equal to 1 by 2 A squared minus 3I. First we want to find LHS A inverse. A inverse means first we want to find modulus value. Modulus value 0. Leave this row and column 0 minus 1. Next take this value minus 1. Leave this row and column 0 minus 1. Next plus 1. Leave this row and column 1 minus 0. Simplify totally 0. Here minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Here 1 into 1, 1. That is 2 not equal to 0. Next we want to find adj. Adj means first find cofactor. Cofactor, you know, the determinant method. We can easily find the determinant method. Simplify first row 0 minus 1. 1 0 minus 1, 1 0. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0. Second row 0 minus 1, 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 0 minus 1. Third one, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. Simplify. Minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1, 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, 1, plus 1, minus 1. Adj means Aij transpose. Taking the transpose, we get the same matrix. We get the same matrix. So A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into Adj. I will take equation number 1. Equation number 1. RHS 1 by 2 A squared minus 3i. A squared means write A 2 times. Write A 2 times and then multiply row by column method. Row by column method, you know, 0, 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Next 0, 0, 1. Next 0, 1, 0. Second row, first column, 0, 0, 1. Next 1, 0, 1. Next 1, 0, 0. Third row, first column, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. See that one? Simplify. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Now 1 by 2 A squared minus 3i. 1 by 2 A squared answer minus 3. I means 3 by 3 identity matrix. Identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now 1 by 2. Now multiplied by 3. Multiply by 3 we get the answer. Now subtract 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 3 and so on. Simplify 1 by 2, that value we get equation number 2. See the equation number 1. Equation number 2, same value. From 1 and 2, A inverse equal to 1 by 2 A squared minus 3i. See the next sum, 15th sum. The 15th sum, see your book, new concept, cryptography. Cryptography includes encryption and decryption. Encryption and decryption. Encryption means the process of information of a transformation of an information into an coded form. Decryption means the transformation of the coded message back into the original form. Example, in a detective agency has two detectives. First one is a sender and the second is a receiver. Sender, receiver. Encryption means the sender gives the information into coded form to receiver. The sender gives the information into coded form to receiver. The encryption matrix take A. Encryption matrix take A. And the decryption means the receiver gets the coded message back into original form. The receiver gets the coded form into original form. Coded form into original form. The decryption matrix simply denoted by A inverse. The decryption matrix simply denoted by A inverse. See the fifth sum, we can easily understand. Decrypt the received encoded message 2 minus 3, 24 with the encryption matrix -1, -1, 2, 1 and the decryption matrix as its inverse. where the system of codes are described by the numbers 1 to 26 to the letters A to Z respectively, and the numbers 0 to a blank space. Given encoded row matrix 2 minus 3 24. Encryption matrix given matrix, let A equal to encryption matrix. We want to find A inverse decryption matrix. Mod A equal to modulus value minus 1 plus 2. Here minus 2, formula minus plus 2 equal to 1, not equal to 0. Next we want to find adj. Adj means change the value and change the sign. 1 minus 2. A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into adj. Appo 1 by 1 adj value. We get A inverse. That is a decryption matrix. Encryption matrix is A and decryption matrix is A inverse. Now we want to find decoded row matrix. Encoded row matrix given. We want to find decoded row matrix. Encoded row matrix, first matrix 2 minus 3. Decryption matrix means A inverse. Decryption matrix A inverse. Now multiply this row by column. 2 plus 6. Next 2 plus 3. Totally 8, 5. And second encoded row matrix 24. And the same decryption matrix A inverse. Now multiply row by column 20 minus 8. 20 minus 4 equal to 12, 16. The sequence of decoded matrix 8, 5, 12, 16. Now, what is a given? The system of codes are described by the numbers 1 to 26 to the letters A to Z. Now, 16 up to 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 17. I will write. Now, 1 equal to A, 2 equal to B, 3 equal to C, 4 equal to D, 5 equal to E, and so on. Now, see that one, 8. First number 8. See the 8. The English alphabet is H. And the second 5. The English alphabet is E. And the 12. See the 12. English alphabet is L. And 16, the English alphabet is P. But the receiver reads the message help, HELP. Get the original form. That is the answer. Thank you, students.